Wolfman, and this is Trailer Park Garage.
What do you think? Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Check it out. Hey, charger just kicked off. I just got off work. Yesterday the O2s came in. I got home late, worked all day, 15, 16 hours, and I didn't even give a shit. And that's pretty wild for me to say. Love them hot rods. But tonight, got home, it was dark, don't want to piss the neighbors off. New O2s are in the morning I gotta get up and I gotta go to work. Woo, yeah Lord. And I think I'm gonna get up at like 5 and get that shit knocked out with a quickness. Come home, take a little rip up the road, make sure that the O2s are cool, not tripping out. Then we're gonna take it to Windy Hollow, because I need some redemption there. I don't want to take it to an event. Mom wanted me to go to Monroe. I wanted to go to Monroe, but I ain't trying to go get whacked on. So we're going to test, make sure everything is okay. Popping and banging, it's got to go. It's got to quit. So tomorrow we will see, and we'll go from there. Yes, Lord. Check it out, me and Rod at the drag strip. Got the thing warmed up, threw a fresh set of plugs in it. We got the new O2s. We got a fresh set of bottles in it. And we left the adapter cable for the wall plug on our 16-volt charger at home. Luckily, the battery is fully charged, so we're gonna go make a lick. We got an alternator. No pluggy. So yeah, that sucks. I'm gonna have to run home here in a second and go grab that. But yeah, we're aired up, got bottles. We'll probably go make a lick, get it on the GoPro. Yes, Lord.
trees, but not bogs, right?
Alright, so we're at US 60. Really didn't say nothing about how we got here. Had a great day. Me and Johnny got to mess around this morning, which led us here. So we're about to go out here. We made a couple of licks, still acting goofy, but we figured something out. The second pass, I wicked it up because I knew it was probably going to be safe. And I was trying to see what the track would hold. Now we figured it out. So now we're going to try to go down through there and make a lick. Hopefully the end of our problems. No, they'll never end. But hopefully we can do a little 60-foot wheelie, tote them, set them down. About a, should go teens or O's with what's in it. Nice, slight, little, easy click down Broadway. We'll see. Come on. Holy smokes, we didn't film nothing after we made that last lick of US 60. So, I'm out here filling some bottles. The old-fashioned way, yeah, Lord. Getting some things together, getting some footage off our cameras, getting some stuff ready. Truck loaded up, everything ready to rock. We're gonna go to Dyersburg today. So it's Sunday. They got a 28-inch tire race, so that's where we're gonna go. We went 514 at 117 mile an hour. Hold on. What's this money? I got a time slip somewhere. We'll show you. We went 514 at 117 mile an hour in that lick that it went all the way down. 114 to 60. Nice, little easy pass. Clicked it at the 500, pulled the chute, short shifted first. I didn't want to go out there and burn the damn thing up. We just needed a log. So that was a nice little effortless little pass. I was pretty happy with it. I mean, a 514, 117. Say we go 100 and high 130 out the back, low 140 with the first system all the way chooched on. I think it would have went 90s if we would have stayed in it out the back door. So 490s on the first system, not really getting too busy up front. I'm digging that. So that's what we got going on. Nice little summary. And somebody will probably be like, you didn't go no 117 at 514, blah, blah. Well, I'll get the slip later and I'll show you. Second pass went like 135, 136 out the back. Put them together, boom, boom. That's all we needed. Now, we knew exactly what to do to make both worlds combined, but I could have went out there and beat on my shit some more, or I can go test in Dyersburg for some money and go run small tire. So, blah, blah, blah. I can talk all day. That's what we got going on. I'm gonna load some bottles up. I got 2 more to fill, and we'll hit the road, Jack. Come on. I'll tell you right now, why don't everybody like the right lane? Look where they do the burnout, and then look 60 foot out where the rubber patch is at. It's flipped. Everybody drives left. So either the lane does that. If we take right lane, we'll do our burnout lane. Look, these smart people were doing their burnout. Okay, so we're at Mid-South, Dyersburg, whatever you want to call it, and we got our hot rod out here. We're super excited. They're about to play some music, so I'll get this done quick. The track looks phenomenal for 150 feet, and then all the rubber is gone. They've been prepping it up front for like bracket race nights and shit, but after that it's dead. So I'm gonna put a little bias in it, not because I think the front half needs it, but I think when we come off of that rubber, the wing's not going to be doing enough by then. We're going to need a little bit more bias to keep the thing planing. So, roll out real heavy, kill the power around 150, 175 foot. Try to keep it steady, see what it does, get a good drive shaft curve, try to come back second round. That's all we know what to do. Come on. Alright, so first round, 7-pair down in the left lane. Both lanes are pretty equal up front. Out the back, it really don't matter, but we'll get the rolling along. We got, Jerry in a Camaro. I think it's a Pro Charger deal. Pretty good looking car if it's who I think it is, but we're racing the track. We ain't ever been here. As long as we don't zip the tire first round and we get some data, it should be pretty rocking. Come on. That's right. Alright, we got through first round. That's what the hell I'm talking about. Good race. I feel like he was close. I could hear him. Don't know what the space was at the end or if there was space. There's a couple of things we could change. It got after the tire up front just a little bit. Hit them hard and then come up off of them. We need to apply the power throughout there to make that stick. And we got to pull just a tad of power out the back. I think if it won't smoke them up front, it'll carry out the back, but we don't know. We'll just have to see. So, second round, we got to race a Nova. Good looking car. We showed up to a 29.105 race on 28s. And I failed to realize that, which I don't care, but wish I had some 29.5s. Yes, Lord. second round. Got our head chopped off. It keeps smoking a tire right where the rubber stops, about 200, 150 feet. I really feel like the only way that we're going to be able to get it to stop doing that, unless we just want to cram all the power out of it, is hit it twice as hard up front and carry it on. These guys out here are murdering these tires up front. The track's good, but I underestimated. I didn't think it was that good. So I say we'll make one test lick just to get some data and just play with it a little more. See if we can get it to go down without smoking. The track record's a 490. So if we could break that, that would be badass too. So we're gonna get juicy with it up front, see what we can do. Just make us a little test lick. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord! Yeah, Lord! I love a cab over. Alright, we're loaded up. We're heading out here. Got my ass whooped today. Had a lot of fun, though.
First time here?
First time here. That's right. We tried our damn best, but come up short. Missed the tune-up a couple times. Got a little spicy in some areas, but that's learning. We're just now got our ignition, everything issues fixed, fueling issues, so we can get off of that. We can get on the traction tuning ball, back to regular scheduled program. So hopefully we'll see you next week. We'll be at Mom's. Hopefully we can get some dubs back in the street. Hopefully we can get it down. Hope you enjoyed the video, but we out. You want to tell them something?
Next time he'll do good.
That's right. This time we suck.